Ooh, that sounded good. That sounded good. Woo! There she goes. You reckon? Meredith, there's a sheep watching us. Hi, sheepy. Yeah, what you doing?
And then she gets them down for me.
Oh yeah, you gonna put that in the wheelbarrow?
No, I say
You're such a good helper.
what horseman sounds. Yaffy is about is nothing from the mood. Mommy, Daddy, and this is the weather. Did you say, Mommy?
Got pink flowers on this one.
Can I take a photo as well?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, bang, emoji.
That's okay.
Can you wipe it off, Mommy?
No, you don't.
Thanks, Mommy. Oh, here's bingo.
So now we have gone from 2 beds to 3. And we're going to have a 4th one, where's my finger? There. But gardening, I'm coming! Gardening with a toddler is like 5 to 10 minutes at a time. So this is taking so long, but it's nice to be outside at least. Yeah, so what have we got? We've got rocket popping up, some broccoli. If we come over this way, we've got a little bit of kale. We got a sunflower. Is that about it? I think we've got something happening with the sugar snap peas, but I'm not sure if they just weren't buried deep enough under the soil to begin with. But it's very exciting. Oh, maybe that's, I think that's a cabbage. There's a cabbage as well, baby girl.
It has bingo.